everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some small cottage kitchen decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Decorating a small cottage kitchen can be a delightful way to create a cozy and charming space. Here are some ideas to enhance your small cottage kitchen. Maximize vertical space. Use wall-mounted shelves, hooks, or racks to store pots, pans, and utensils. This keeps your countertops clutter-free and adds to the cozy lived-in cottage feel. Choose multifunctional furniture. Opt for furniture that serves more than one purpose, like an island with built-in storage or a tree-flap table that can expose when needed. Incorporate reflective surfaces. Use mirrors or glassy backsplash tiles to reflect light and make the space feel larger. A mirror can also be a charming decorative element. A tidy kitchen is essential in small spaces to maintain a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Use light curtains or blinds. Allow as much natural light as possible by using shade curtains or light colored blinds. Natural light enhances the airy cottage feel. Opt for open storage. Consider open storage solutions like baskets, crates, or bins. Wicker baskets add texture and warmth, while being practical for storing produce or kitchen linens. Introduce a statement piece. A vintage clock, a colorful rug, or a unique piece of wall art can serve as a focal point without overwhelming the space. Keep it simple. In small spaces, less is more. Avoid overloading your kitchen with decorations. A few well-chosen items will have a greater impact than a crowded space. Layer lighting. Combine different types of lighting such as under cabinet lights, pendant lights, and wall sconces. This adds warmth and depth to your kitchen. Personalize with dye projects. Incorporate personal touches like dye messenger vases, and printed sinks, or customized chalkboards. These small projects add character and charm. whites, creams, baby blues, and light greens. These shades can make the space feel larger and brighter. Open shelving. Replace upper cabinets with open shelves to create an open and airy feel. Display your favorite dishes, glassware, or vintage kitchen items. Vintage or farmhouse sink. Consider adding a farmhouse sink or a vintage style ceramic sink. These elements are iconic in cottage kitchens and add a rustic charm. Butcher block countertops. Wooden countertops, especially butcher block, enhance the warm, rustic vibe. They pair well with the cottage style and add a natural element to the space. Pattern tiles. Add character with pattern or subway tiles for your backsplash. Soft floral or geometric patterns in muted tones work well in a cottage kitchen. Mix and match furniture. Use a mix of old and new furniture. A vintage kitchen table paired with modern chairs or a refurbished island can add personality. Decorative plate racks. Install a plate rack to display decorative plates. This not only adds a quaint touch but also serves as practical storage. Charming lighting. Choose lighting fixtures that complement the cottage style, such as both iron candeliers, pendant lights, or vintage inspired lanterns. Textile accents. Incorporate cozy textiles like gingham curtains, floral tea towels, or a chalkboard tablecloth. These small touches make the kitchen feel inviting. Natural elements. Bring in natural elements like fresh flowers, potted herbs, or wicker baskets. They add a fresh and organic touch to your cottage kitchen. Painted cabinetry. If possible, paint your cabinets in soft pastel colors or distressed finishes to enhance the cottage feel. Rustic hardware. Swap out modern cabinet handles for rustic or vintage inspired hardware. Copper or ceramic knobs work well. Use a soft color palette. Stick to a soft muted color palette. Light pastels, creams, and whites can make the space feel more open, while darker tones can be used sparingly for contrast. Feature a farmhouse table. If space allows, consider a small farmhouse table. Its rustic charm is perfect for a cottage kitchen and can double as extra breath space for a cozy breakfast nook. Opt for compact appliances. Invest in a smaller, space-saving appliances that fit your kitchen's scale.